Alright, so today me and Matthew are going to go over how to clean your laptop screen. We have a 2011 MacBook Pro. We're going to make sure that it looks spotless when we're all done with it. Alright, so the first step to cleaning your laptop is to run it under some hot water. Make sure it's nice and hot. And then, if your keyboard's dirty, you can even clean that and your trackpad. It's really good for the computer to make sure that there's no spots, nothing on there. If you get a good rinse in before you throw it in your dishwasher, it'll look spotless when it comes out. Alright, so the next step is to put it in the dishwasher. Make sure you have enough room for it, so that way it doesn't get in the way of the rest of your dishes. I like putting it on the bottom rack because the sprayers are a little stronger on that side. And then also, it's closer to the heater coils, so it'll dry out a little bit faster. Having a little bit of trouble there? Here, upright, do it upright. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, just like if it was a plate. Yep, exactly. So that's how you do that, and then don't forget to add soap. Alright, so make sure you close this all up, make sure it's locked, and then turn it to the start position. Give that an hour or so. So, it's almost done. Yep, that's the click. Alright, let's unlock this. Let's see. Yeah. It's nice and clean. Now, if it didn't get everything off, you can use a towel, get the excess residue off. I don't know. Let's go let it air dry for a little bit. So, if you have some problems with germs and you're a germaphobe, you might want to just spray it with some isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's nice and clean. It also really gets rid of sticky residue from whatever you did to your laptop. Yeah, I think that's probably clean. You really did a number on that one, didn't you? The other option that you have is you can just wash it with your hose. The other option, if you don't want to use the hose, is just throw it out into your sprinklers while they're running. Let it sit for about 3-4 hours. There's no drought. The other option, if it isn't clean yet, is throw it in your washing machine. Don't put any clothes in there. You don't want your clothes to get all dirty. Make sure you set it for high spin.
High spin?
Yep.
Extra heavy soil.
Yeah, definitely.
Hot water, fabric softener, and second rinse.
Yeah. Make sure you put the time to oxy in there. Perfect.
Okay, and we're ready to go.
So now that the laptop's all clean, you can either choose to towel dry it, you can choose to air dry it, or you can choose to blow dry it. Or you can choose to spin dry it.
Oh, nice and dry.
Or you can put it in your dryer. Or you can also put it on the grill. Grilled MacBook on the bobby. Or you can use your ordinary household flamethrower. I think it's dry. So the laptop still works, and that's what I'm going to edit this video on. So if you need any other advice on how to clean anything, just let me know. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave those in the comments below. If you did like this video, please thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please thumbs down. That way I know not to make videos that you guys don't like. Also, if you like the videos that I'm putting out, please click subscribe. If you want to get notifications about when my new videos come out, please click the bell icon as well. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you. It's still working.
It's crunchy now.
Crunchy. That's not the electronics.
Scratched.
That's just the dirt. A little dirt don't hurt.
Okay, I'm gonna start using this for editing the video.
Alright, sounds good. Good thing we uploaded all the videos. It feels still wet.